Hi everyone, you are watching a video tutorial on Learn IT Profession. Today I am going to tell you how to install Kub server on CentOS Linux 7. Okay, let's start. First of all, to install the Kub server, type the command yum space install space Kub space -y. Actually, y attribute is used to install the package giving without giving years during the installation. That's it. Okay, I just copy the whole command yum space install space curve space -y and just paste this by just right click on the putty. I have already opened the putty. That's server is CentOS Linux 7. Just copy and paste. The command is yum space install space curve space -y. Just press install. Okay, installation is in progress. Okay, I just pause the video and then continue after the installation. Okay, the installation has successfully completed. Now start the services of Kub server. That is systemctl starts space Kubs. Just copy and paste. This service is started. Start. Enable the service. Enable the service to means at a boot time service start automatically. Okay, just paste it by just right click. The command is systemctl enable Kubs. Okay, the service is enabled. To check the status, type the command systemctl space status space Kubs. Okay, here you see that the service has successfully started. Service is active and running. Okay, so after the successful installation and services service successfully start, so just configure by just type the command vi space /etc space /Kubs d.conf. Actually Kub server's configuration file is kubsd.conf. So configure it by just entering in the file with the help of vi editor. The whole command is vi /etc /Kubs/kubsd.conf. Okay. If you want to see the file with numbering, just type shift enter shift colon and type se space nu. Okay, here you see the numbers. First of all, go to the line number 14. Just press insert before edit. Okay, go to the line number 14 and hash and type hash to uncomment the line. Okay, press enter and type port space 631 because Kubs listen on port 631. Port space 631. Okay, then go to the line number 30 and edit allow @local. You can also add allow from specific IP like that in this format. In my case, my IP is 192.168.10.3, for example. You can use this specific IP, means that a specific IP on a local network can open the administration page, server page, and to change all the configuration through web browser. The specific IP will only be allowed if you add this line. If you allow at the local, it means in a local network all the computers, all the IPs in a local network can open the administration page and the server page. Server means Kub server. Okay, I go in the to continue the configuration, go to the line number 30 and add allow @local. Go to the line number 30 here. Here you see that the command is restrict access to the server. So here I am added the line by just type allow at the local, means server locally can easily accessible by just edit this line allow at the local. Okay, you can also you can also use allow at the all. Allow at the all means the Kub server access all over the network, means different network within a local network also and other network, means in my case my local network IP is 192.168.10, and if I edit the line allow at the all, it means I can access the Kub server on other network, means 192.168.9 for example. I can access from that network to access the network of 192.168.10 network. Got it? Okay, here I edit only allow at the local because I have a single network, that is local network, that is 192.168.10. okay, to access the admin page also allow at the local. Okay, to access the configuration file I'm edit allow at the local. Okay, that's it. I think I have added line number 36 also, that one. It's access the admin. I by edit the allow at the local I'm allowed to access the admin pages. Okay, to go to the line number 36 I've already added to access the admin pages. To go line number 44 I've already added to access the configuration files, that one, line number 44. Okay, go to the line number 52. Okay, here I'm just to edit okay, okay, let's pause the video, then I will show what I will add. Okay, continue. Actually, if you want to access the log files, I've already written on a notepad file. If you want to access the log files of Kub server, so just edit the mention lines on the kubsd.conf file. Okay, just copy and paste. Okay, that one. Okay, here I just edit the lines, give a space. I will just edit the line to be access the log files of the Kub through the Kub web user interface. So just edit the line location space / admin log authentication type default required user systems allow at the local. It means you can access the log file through web browser also. Okay, that is the mean. Go to the line number 52, then add allow at the local, that is the mean. Okay, actually in Kub's configuration file logs entry is missed, so just add the line, this configuration lines, and you able to access the log files through web browser of Kub server. Okay, okay, go to the line number 56 and add default encryption if requested. Here already encryption line is missed, so just copy default encryption. You need to type it, so type default encryption space if requested on below the location of log file. Here just press enter. Okay, and type hash and just for your easy, type default encryption. For default encryption, or just comment for default encryption. Okay, enter and copy the line that is default encryption if requested. Okay, but just right click on the putty. Okay, here the configuration is complete. To exit the configuration file means save the configuration files, press escape and use shift plus colon, then type wq. Okay, the whole configuration file will save. Okay, restart the CUF service by just type system ctl space restart space CUFs. To check the status of CUF service, type the command system ctl space status space CUFs. Okay, here you see this service has successfully restarted, and you have see the status also, that is the service is running with active condition. Okay, then add the firewall rule. The firewall rule allow the port 631, that is the CUF server port, and the whole command is firewall-cmd space dash permanent space dash add dash port is equals to 631, that is TCP port. After type the command, just press enter. Okay, the port has successfully added. Then reload the firewall, but just type the command firewall system ctl reload space firewall d. You can also use the command firewall d dash cmd space reload. Okay, I just type that command firewall dash cmd space reload. Okay, okay, just type the command system ctl space reload space firewall d. Okay, maybe I type the firewall dash cmd firewall dash cmd space dash reload. Okay, the firewall has successfully reloaded. Okay, then you need to start the CUF dash browse service that use for the scan and add printer from the local network. Also means if you want to add the local printer local network printer in the CUF server, you need to start the CUF dash browse service, that is system ctl. The whole command is system ctl space start space CUF dash browse. Okay, then enable means from boot the service will automatically start. The command is system ctl space enable space CUF dash browse. Okay, here you see the link is created. Okay, to check the status of CUF dash browse service, type the command system ctl space status space CUF dash browse. Okay, this command service has successfully started, and you see the status that is active with running condition. Okay, the next step is to install the CUF printer drivers. Okay, you can install the HP related drivers and XN related drivers like Sharp printer drivers. You can install all the drivers if you want as per your requirement. So here I'm just installing the printer driver for just demo. Install the printer HP lib HP means it will install all the drivers related to HP. If not, you can use also the PBD files for just network printers. In network printers you can add the PBD files, and if as just you if you have a shared network printers that have other conditions like the LPD service, then I will make another video for this kind of issues. So here we will continue this installation for Cub server only, so just focus on it. Install the HP related drivers. The command is yum space install space HP lib. Okay, it requires the condition Y. Type it. Okay, I think it will take time, so I just pause the video, then I will continue. Okay, continue. The driver related to HP has successfully installed. Then I will install the Gutenprints this driver contains the drivers of Canon, Epson also, and the other printers. So just copy the command yum space install space Gutenprint space -y. Here I am use attribute -y, so during the installation it will not require the condition yes, no or yes condition, so it will smoothly install these drivers. We just press enter. Okay, I think it will also take time, so I just pause the video, then I will continue. Okay, the installation has successfully completed of the Gutenprints. Then to access the Cub server, use the URL of your specific server IP. In my case my IP is 192.168.10.226, so I just copy the whole complete link and paste on the browser. Okay, paste it. Okay, click on advanced process. Okay, here you see that the installation has successfully completed. You can also add the printers. Go to the administration, then click on add printers, type the means you don't have the all privileges to access anywhere. You can add the printer users means admin with admin privileges on a specific group of specific group of the Cub server that will access the Cub printing services. It's your administration how to configure and how to access the Cub server. So here I'm used the root user that have whole access to access the Cub server. So I just type the password, that is the server password. Okay, here you see how to which type of printer you want to add. Here local printer also mention HP printers, like if you have a network printer, that will also mention here. Other network printers like Internet Printing Protocol, LPD, LPI, that is a shared printer services related, like means the PC have a printer attached to it, and if you want to share this printer, that will access by the LPD service. So other one, Internet Protocol, Printing Protocol, IPPS, that will be secure. Internet Printing Protocol, HTTP, Internet Printing Protocol, HTTP, that is secure through web browser. And AppSocket, that you can access the printer through network. Okay, network printer. If you want to add the network printer, you choose this option, then click continue, and just use this type of format. Use the name of IP and then continue. It's this is a whole demonstration of how to install the Cub server on CentOS Linux 7 machine. If you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and comment if you want to if you have any question to then I will answer it. So I will happy if you ask question from me, and if you like the video, like my video. Thank you so much, and comment also. and I hope you will subscribe it.